Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to access Spaces on X. So let's open X, and you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. Now in the side menu you have to go to Spaces section, and here you will see popular or trending spaces that are happening right now. So you can join them if you simply tap on it and press option to start listening at the bottom side of the screen. Also, you can enable that feature that you want to listen anonymously if you want that. It's completely up to you. But additionally, you can see sometimes you will see spaces in your home timeline from the people that you follow. It will look something like this. This is the screenshot. So on your home timeline you will see those spaces from the people that you follow. You will see this large purple banner on your home timeline. So that's basically how you can access Spaces on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.